In this video, I want to demonstrate how to set up custom properties for my drawing sheets in SolidWorks. You'll notice when you open your drawing sheets through File Explorer here, there's two extensions. There's a DRW dot and an SLD DRT. Don't worry too much about why. What's important is you know how to properly customize these. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with my E size template and I'll work my way up so I do them all. So I'm going to drag and drop this E template. I see I have the metric one, and I make sure I have the one that has the extension DRWDOT. So I'll drag and drop it out here into the graphics area. And just like the part and assembly templates, I want to customize it. So first I'll come up to File, Properties, and for the summary, I want the author to be me. For the custom properties, I'm not going to add any to this sheet. I'm just going to add me as the author, and then I'm going to say OK. And then I want to affect how this sheet will look. So I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to choose Edit Sheet Format. I'm going to zoom in on the Notes section up here in the corner. And what's important here is this $ PRP sheet with the colon material in this style of brackets. That's the link from the part or assembly to bring the material through. So that's the link from the custom properties we had set up in our part and assembly templates. Same thing with the stock size and the finish. So in the notes section, I also add a note to every drawing I make that tells the person manufacturing it to break all sharp edges. In other words, make sure you deburr your part. So I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to zoom in on the title block. Once again, we want to be really careful here. Any of these shown in blue are the links from the part or the assembly. We don't want to delete them. If you accidentally do, you can restore them. You just have to know exactly what to type or just cut and paste it from another one. Anything shown in black, I can just now double click on and edit it to suit my needs. So I may want to change the general tolerances here, the angle tolerances, the surface finish, whatever you like. The other important thing to be aware of is your drawing number. That's whatever you've saved your part or assembly as. That will populate the drawing number field here. And here, the title, that's the one that will show up if you forget to do it from my templates that says fill me into display and drawing. So that's the description of the part. And again, all these are linked. We don't want to edit those. Once I edit the rest of this and I'm happy with it, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on this and I'm going to stop editing the sheet format and I'll just zoom to extents. So again, to edit the title block in the notes, I'm going to right click on the sheet. I'm going to select Edit Sheet Format. I'm not going to delete any of the links shown in blue with the $ and the coding after it. And when I'm done, I can stop editing the sheet with this button, or I can right click on the sheet again and just say Edit Sheet Format. And away it goes. If I want to change the title block fields, again, I need to edit the sheet format, right click, and then I can come here and I can edit the title block fields and further customize it. So I'm going to stop editing this sheet, and now I need to save it twice. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to save the DRW dot file, and then I'm going to, from the drop-down menu, select File, Save Sheet Format. And the Save Sheet Format window will open up. I want to make sure it's pointing to the proper folder and that I have the proper sheet. And you'll notice now it's saving the SLD DRT file. So I'm going to double check it has the right one. It does. So I'll say Save. It's closed, and now I can close that. And I can repeat these steps for my remaining templates by dragging in, remember, the DRW DOT. In the next video, we'll look at how we add a custom logo here to your sheets.